create a new layer on top of everything. I will use a hard round brush. I will turn off the transfer because I want it to be very opaque, and I don't think I will use any pen pressure for this. And then I will change the minimum diameter to very small so I can make very fine sparkles. I will just sprinkle the sparkles everywhere on my portrait, especially the highlight area. Now from far, it looks like stars around her hair. It's very pretty. I will apply some on her face as well as on the waves. Basically just everywhere. But remember, don't overdo this